Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy skies out there this morning. Even had a few sprinkles across the Wallops region around 6 to 7 a.m. this morning, but those have moved off the coast and dissipated since then. Not going to see any precipitation today. Just going to see some mostly cloudy skies this morning, turning into partly cloudy skies for this afternoon, so more sunshine for the afternoon hours. Looking at our current surface analysis as of 9Z this morning, we have this frontal boundary. It's currently a stationary boundary that will be moving back north as a warm front today across the region, and that'll allow us to see more southerly flow for this afternoon to southeasterly flow and allow us to have some warmer temperatures after this came through last night as a backdoor cold front. Looking at our current observations across the region as well as our radar and infrared satellite, you can see some mid-level cloud cover across the southern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning associated with this boundary. Once that does move north of the region, we'll see more sunshine and less cloud cover across the region. Southeasterly winds this morning fairly light. They'll pick up this afternoon about 8 to 13 knots, possibly gusting up to 18 to 19 knots for the afternoon hours. And we'll see temperatures rising into the lower to mid 70s today. Looking at our current observations as of 8 a.m. this morning, we have 4 different layers out there with a few at 500, scattered at 11,000, broken at 13,000, and 25,000. We have a wind out of a southeasterly component at 140 degrees at 6 knots, a temperature 66 degrees, and relative humidity at 88%. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have temperatures, as I mentioned, in the lower to mid 70s, a high of 74 degrees, overnight low of 64 degrees. Winds out of the southeast, 8 to 13 knots, gust to 18 this afternoon, and then we'll see these winds continuing around 8 to 13 knots out of the south tonight, and that will keep our low warmer than normal at 64 degrees. No chance of precipitation or lightning, and winds will be well below 25 knots today, so green chart across the board. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will remain with that VFR condition throughout today into tomorrow. We'll see some scattered clouds around 1,500 feet tomorrow morning with a broken deck at 15,000 and 25,000. So developing mostly cloudy skies we work into the Friday morning time period. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking from Friday into Saturday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies on Friday with a slight chance of a rain shower. Looks like that slight chance is about 15% on Friday. We'll have a frontal boundary moving towards the region with some prefrontal showers trying to move towards the region as well. Looks like those should dry up as we move towards the region. Can't rule out a sprinkle on Friday, but overall will remain dry. Slightly breezy winds, seeing gusts most likely around 23 to 24 knots in the afternoon out of the south-southwest with a high of 76 degrees. And then for Friday night, we'll have mostly cloudy skies with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm early, then remaining mostly cloudy, a low of 64 degrees. Looks like this warm front that'll move through today will return as a cold front Friday night, and that could give us that chance of that rain shower or thunderstorm, and a yellow for precipitation. And as I mentioned, we'll have another warm low of 64 degrees Friday night and Saturday. And for Saturday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies to overcast skies with a chance of rain showers by late evening. A very slight chance of a embedded thunderstorm. We'll have a high of 70 on Saturday, and we'll have a yellow for our precipitation. But this looks like that rainfall should really come in during the late evening hours and will be most likely after midnight on Saturday into Sunday, with some decent rainfall across the region during that time period. That's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.